What's up, fam bam? It's your boy James R. Davis Sr. coming to you live with another real crypto talk. So let's jump right into it. First and foremost, you can follow me over here on Twitter if you want to stay up to date with crypto stuff, different moves that I'm making in the space, giving you a little bit of inspiration. Great information as well. You can also follow me over here on Facebook. I don't really talk a lot about crypto over here, but you can still follow me well, I mean, as far as tips and, different things like that, I always kind of share some value. Been sharing over here since 2017 about crypto, and it's been an amazing journey. So let's look at the current markets. Let me refresh this real quick. And yes, indeed, I am over here smoking trees. So light them up, light them up, light them up. All right. So Bitcoin is holding at 59,343. Ethereum has crossed over the $2,000 mark. Let's see who our biggest gainers are over the past 24 hours. Helium is up 32%. BitTorrent is up 28%, up 92% for the week. It's insane. Hot is up 22%. Tron is up 21% and broke 10 cents. Congratulations to all of you guys that are earning Tron. I've been earning Tron for quite some time, mining and all that good stuff. In fact, recently came across a D app that pays me every 4 seconds in Tron, every 4 seconds in Tron, which is absolutely insane. Debt is up 13%. Who are the top losers for the past 24 hours? Or in other words, what we say on this channel, what's on sale, right? Filecoin is down 14%. Definitely a good possible buy for some of you Filecoin lookers or holders. BTMX is down 12%. Airweave is down 12%. Pancake Swap's down 8%. Curve Dow token is down 7%. So let's look at the headlines for let's look at some of the headlines for today. See what's popping. We can Dow it. How a new wave of cyberpunks is disrupting venture capital. Hmm, very interesting. I'm going to be looking at that too. It's a 16-minute read, so it's going to be a little bit too long for me to read on this particular channel, on this particular real crypto talk right here, because I got an article that I want to get into. But this is interesting. This is interesting. I'm definitely going to be reading that. SNL, what? Saturday Night Live auctions NFT party skit as an NFT? Guys, listen, once again, let me light this back up. Hold up. Once again, hey, if you're not doing your research in the NFT space, guys, please do your research. Look at some of the coins that's in the NFT space and start considering buying some bags, man. I'm telling you, because this space is going to skyrocket. It's insane. Well moves 1.3 billion to DeFi after ETH sets new all-time high. Incredible. The most 10x, most 10x, the 10 most expensive NFTs ever sold. Bitcoin dominance falls to 7-month low as altcoins surge. And yeah, guys, I mean, that's one thing I did not look at. Let me check that out real quick. Current market cap is 1.94 trillion. BTC's dominance is 54% right now. Let's look at that real quickly here. Real quickly. Um, because this is important, guys. This is very important. Why? Because you may not become a millionaire, investing in the Bitcoin right now at its current price, and if you're new, but for sure, you can mess around and become a millionaire screwing around with these alts. So here's the picture right here. This is the BTC dominance when it's, you see the gap here, this gap between here. As you can see, it's at 93% dominance, and these are the alts down here. So as you can see, BTC's dominance is dropping, which means that we're definitely in an alt season. So pay attention to alts, folks. It's crucial right now. It's crucial. XRP is worth more today than before the SEC lawsuit against Ripple is in the headlines. What you should know before buying or selling an NFT in the United States. All right. Here's why April may be the best month yet for Bitcoin's price. Pension funds and insurance firms alive to Bitcoin investment proposal. 38% Ethereum futures premium signals traders anticipate a 2,500 Ethereum. Implementing the double-edged sword of KYC, which is know your customer, is a must for crypto exchanges. Um, who was doing that? Probably the IRS or the SEC. I'm telling. Bubble or a drop in the ocean? Question mark. Putting Bitcoin's $1 trillion milestone into perspective. Yeah. Wild West as developers MacGyver highly popular NFTs on Cardano. This is huge. Let me get into the news for the day. Let's jump right on into the news for the day. Here's why April may be the best month yet for Bitcoin's price. The United States dollar weakness is painting a bullish short-term outlook for Bitcoin in April. The US dollar is starting to weaken once again as sellers are pushing the US dollar index DXY downward, which could strengthen the momentum of Bitcoin in the near term. Alternative assets like Bitcoin and gold are priced against the dollar. Hence, when the DYX starts to drop, it often causes BTC to rally against the dollar. Here's the chart here. Dollar's share of global reserves is dropping fast. You know, I've been saying this for the past 4 years now, publicly. And I pray that many people have been paying attention to this. You know, this is no secret. This is one of the reasons why all these billionaires, that's why I'm doing this live. I mean, that's why I'm doing these real crypto talk. That's why I try, I do my best to keep you guys informed of the news and the developments in the space. You know, I encourage you to do your own research, but man, things are developing fast and it's developing fast for a reason. You know, we don't want people to get caught off guard, not knowing or not understanding what's going on with the value of their dollar or why things are hyperinflating, prices are just, going through the roof, right? And so you want to definitely um, be paying attention. Okay. According to Halger Pitts, a market analyst at Welt, the US dollar share of global reserves is rapidly declining as countries like Russia are pursuing a de-dollarization strategy and opting for gold. When the pandemic was declared in the first quarter of 2020, the demand for the dollar increased as investors fled to cash because it is the digital reserve currency. However, due to various factors, including the presidential election and the negative outlook on COVID throughout last year, the dollar struggled to outperform other currencies like the Japanese yen and the Swiss franc. Quote, oops, dollar in decline. White dollar's share of global reserves initially increased at start of pandemic. It has since decreased and now stands at just 59%. 1.5 pp decline QOQ at lowest since 1995, part to decline due to depreciation, but also due to active USD selling. If the decline of the US dollar continues, there is a strong probability that Bitcoin will continue to rally in April. Historically, April has been a strong month for Bitcoin throughout the past 10 years, recording positive gains for 5 consecutive years since 2016. There's another chart of that. Additionally, Danny Scott, CEO of the Bitcoin exchange Coin Corner, said that the law of averages puts Bitcoin at 83,000 in April. Okay, so we're trading around 58, 59 right now. So pay attention, folks. He wrote Laws of Averages gives Bitcoin an $83,000 price target for April, average over 10 years in April, plus 51%. Miners appear to be accumulating Bitcoin. Atop the favorable macro factors for Bitcoin, Lex Moskovsky, the CIO at Moskovsky Capital, pinpointed that the miners recently began ramping up their BTC holdings. On a single day, miners added 4,380 Bitcoin, which the quantitative trader and investor described as a growing trend, he said. Miners started really ramping up their positions, 4,494 Bitcoin stacked today on aggregate, another 4,380 Bitcoin stacked by miners yesterday. Looks like a trend indeed. Oh yeah, sure is. It's definitely reversing. This is huge. When miners sell their holdings, Bitcoin typically sees a pullback as it can cause heavily leveraged orders in the futures market to see cascading liquidations. For those of you that are trading on margin, you got to be careful out there, folks, okay? Because a lot of people are taking profits. You got to kind of keep your eyes on the order books too. If miners are hoarding Bitcoin and stacking BTC with the expectations that the cryptocurrency will appreciate, it reduces the probability of a severe sell-off in the foreseeable future. In the near term, whether Bitcoin remains above 58,000 support area remains key. If it continues to consolidate above it, the chances of it seeing a strong breakout above the $60,000 resistance level greatly increases. And of course, this is 2 hours ago, right? And in regard to this last statement here, we broke that resistance level, I believe, already. I think we crossed over 60. Let's take a look. Let's take a look real quick. I got a couple of minutes, real quick. Let's get this out the way. Pull up my chart that I normally work with. Let's see here. Where are we? Where are we? Where are we? Where are we? We are, yep, we're trending around 58. Yep. Hit 60. It's a 4-hour chart right here. Let's look at the 15-minute chart. Yep. Yep. We hit 62.20. And the next candle was 61.62. We got another 59. We got a 59, 667, 76, 59, 654. So yeah, we're ranging once again within this range right here and here. This range right here. So, yep, you're absolutely right. It could possibly break out from this range. Yep, possibly, because we're still going in an uptrend. All right, folks. Well, that's my time on today's Real Crypto Talk. Make sure that you are paying attention to alts once again as you follow Bitcoin's price, because alts are definitely booming right about now and have been all year. I think we kind of been in a alt season now for the past 3 or 4 months, if you ask me, because I'm just looking at I'm just looking at the numbers, man. Hey, folks, y'all be happy, have fun investing, trade safe, and make sure if you don't have your Brave browser, like I just clicked on and it's opening this thing up, make sure you get yours downloaded because that is money every time you do that. All right, click on it, open it up, close it back out. That's money made because I'm on Brave browser. Tip, tip. I'll talk to you guys soon, man. Peace.